Hello, my name is Richard Johnson. I'm a landowner in Shingle Springs, California, and I'm giving testimony today at the Board of Supervisors regarding the San Jacinto project of 1,100 homes in Shingle Springs, California. Now, most people here are going to testify about the ins and outs of why they dislike this project, but my role here today is to deal with the broader picture and begin with something that impacts each one of us. For example, as an individual, we all only can live for about 3 minutes without air. We can live 3 days without water. So water is one of the most critical issues in our existence. Recently in Chicago, about 9 of the greatest minds that existed dealt with subjects like global warming, our planet being hit by an asteroid, robotics, artificial intelligence, etc., etc. Also in this discussion was water, and they came to the conclusion that water was the most important thing in our existence, not gold, as some people would think. So, what does San Jacinto mean to our water allocation? Well, basically, El Dorado Irrigation District says that they only have enough water for 2,100 homes in El Dorado County, the whole county. San Jacinto is going to use 1,100 of that allocation, which leaves the other half for the rest of the county. So the question is, are we going to approve a project that uses so much water? This area, as you can see, is a rural area. San Jacinto is a densely populated proposal in a rural area. Most of the people that are in this room today, well, they're not in this room, but this video will be presented in this room and also YouTube. So most of them feel that they oppose an intrusion of their rural lifestyle, which is interesting because it deals with the word enjoyment. Now, enjoyment is something that's in the Constitution of the United States, believe it or not, and it's involved in a process called taking. Now, taking means that an entity cannot take away the value of your property or your enjoyment of it. They put this in the 5th and the 9th Amendment of the Constitution. Now, what does that mean to us today? Well, it means that the Supreme Court of the United States has said, and they're on record as saying this, that any activity involved in the taking of property rights from the landowner devaluates his property will find no friend in the court. So today we talked about two things. We talked about water as being important to our existence and the Constitution of the United States, and both of them affect the San Jacinto project. Thank you very much for your time. We have great people in Shingle Springs, and you'll find this video on YouTube. Aloha. And this is Richard Johnson from Shingle Springs, the Gold Country in California.